Sup, it's Sydney. Today's Monday, the first day back at school after Thanksgiving break, and I'm vlogging. And it's gonna be very interesting because I literally don't want to go back to school. Some schools went back to school a little bit earlier, but then ended at Thanksgiving break. But Penn State said, nah, I know what'll really get them. Let's catfish them by sending them home and having the remainder of the classes be online, like nothing is in person. But then after break, they still have 2 more weeks and finals. So needless to say, today is gonna be a challenging day mentally because I simply don't wanna do it.
Hi, I just had school. Well, I'm in school right now. Not right this second though.
How do you feel about being back in school after break, Sam?
Oh my god, too much work. It's kind of annoying because I don't want to do anything. I just had Spanish. I also had health.
What did you learn about your changing body?
No.
What?
Social media.
Why?
I don't know. We're doing some presentation, but it's like so confusing. Because like she made these templates of like different social media apps like LinkedIn, Facebook.
Why did she teach you about LinkedIn? You're in 7th grade.
Yeah, like Netflix, which really isn't a social media at all. I have art and like right now.
Oh my god.
Okay, bye.
Good morning.
Can you censor out my foot?
Of course.
I hope we don't do anything, because I can't.
Is this what giving birth feels like? It's a genuine question.
Oh my god. No, it's worse.
Oh no, my class starts in 4 minutes. What a shame it would be if I just didn't log on. It's 11:14. I just logged on to English, which is my first class of the day. If things start to get slow, when things start to get slow, I'll probably take a shower during class and just make sure that all my homies are muted and that my camera is off because no one gets a show for free, okay? That's OnlyFans content. She's putting on a TED Talk, so you know what that means. Shower time. Sock omelet. Class ended, took a great shower, did my makeup, didn't really pay attention at all, but we weren't doing anything important anyway. For the past like 4 classes, she just keeps going over the same requirements for our final project that's a group project, and it's due in like 2 weeks. So, I mean, I can just read it on Canvas with my own 2 eyes. Fun fact, I have a management assignment due at 5 p.m. and it's currently 12:09 p.m. And I knew about this assignment like over a week ago, so I had all break to do it, had plenty of time over break to do it, and then I just didn't do it. This assignment will probably only take me an hour if I just set my mind to it, but that's assuming that I can set my mind to anything at this point. And I also have class at 3:30, so it has to be done before then. I'm gonna go eat some mac and cheese. Girl, what kind of drug deals are you conducting?
Huh? I do my own mail now.
Oh wow. Do your own mail of drugs.
Yes. Yes.
No. What a great investment.
5 ounces.
Oh, fatty. Just kidding.
I love how this is the content
Wow.
you come to.
How much is
Listen, life has gone really boring. I saw a girl on TikTok who had like huge triple D's and she went like this and then just flopped them down and weighed them. Mine are like 3 pounds.
3? I was like 3 ounces.
Hey!
this other kid likes me?
Who? I'll bleep the middle school drama, but a boy named likes. Compared to the other boys you've liked, he's quite the step up, I'm gonna be honest. As promised.
Whoa.
So I told Matthew about my management assignment, which by the way, 12:32, still haven't started. And this assignment is due at 5 p.m. today, but we don't even have class until tomorrow at 1:35. And Matthew and I decided on a golden rule for homework.
Your homework can be due at midnight, or it can be due, like, at class.
Midnight or class time. Not at 5 p.m., not at 2 p.m., not at 6 a.m. on a random day. Why is this due at 5 p.m.? I literally don't want to do it. Sam, do you want to do it? Do you want to show them your art project?
Oh yeah. So this is my animal head. It's a red panda, and I think it's cutie.
Are you just zooming in on my food?
Sure.
We'll be like,
Weirdo.
Hey, Rosie. We haven't decorated yet, but we're going to do that later in the vlog, so you'll just see it. Here's a before, kind of. Let's watch it properly.
I should probably actually work on this, and I'll check in whenever my class starts, or if anything else happens that's interesting in between, but I highly doubt it. I said I was gonna update you if anything exciting happened from the last time you saw me, and nothing did. I just did my management assignment. I actually think I did a pretty good job on it, so don't mind me. I'm just going to sit back, relax, and zone out for the next 2 hours.
Today, after school, I told myself I wouldn't take a nap. And then I did.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
I did it.
So, have you started dinner?
Dude, what do you think she's been doing? Mom over here for the past 10 minutes.
Nope, not your dinner.
Look, Sam, it's the food that Mom magically prepared that you somehow didn't notice her doing.
I thought she made food, but I was just not sure.
Even I noticed.
That's not true. This is our tree. Let's do a little montage of the tree being really hot.
Now from the top, make it drop.
Poll, do your ornaments on your tree look like this? Or is it one of those really boring stage trees? Because this
Like a stock photo.
is flavor.
Bro, we were all obsessed with Dora.
I just dropped
You almost just killed Dora.
Queen. Dora would be like, Hola, soy Dora. Feliz Navidad. And that was the time I found out I had dyslexia. You didn't grow up with those, Sam, the TTIs on Disney Channel.
I think I remember because one girl's like, I read anything from like street.
Cereal boxes. Yeah, that's Bella Thorne.
I remember watching that whenever
I'm
I
Bella
was a child.
Thorne, and this is the time I found out I had dyslexia.
You just watched a
UTI. Dun 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 dun.
Beautiful tree. This is a finished
Bodacious. Thick.
sexy tree.
Ooh, scandalous, Sam.
We also have a bunch of like homemade ones that we've made once we were like 5 years old. That one down there, this one over here.
Not my mom asking who made this, and we're like, if it's weird, it's Sam. The bar to make it on our tree is very low, but I like them. I think they're cute.
If you have a fake tree, that's a sin.
Sam just asked if we wanted to play Among Us. So
No, what she actually said was, I feel like we should spice up the vlog, which was code for her saying, I want to play Among Us. Add a little bit of spice. We actually ended up playing Among Us with you guys, which was super fun, and so you might see yourself. Unless you don't follow me on Instagram, then do that. Okay, thanks, bye. Okay.
I kind of want to get murdered by one of Sydney's fans. No, I got disconnected from my own server. That was so sad.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Wow, y'all just wanted one.
Thanks for letting us. What will you learn? That your actions have consequences. So, all you cool cats and kittens out there, how's your day?
Is anyone gonna die? Like, I'm not rooting for it or anything, but...
I'm scared.
Oh!
I found your body. Wait! Someone just admitted to it. Imagine if they just threw themselves under the bus, but it wasn't them.
It was, though.
Bye, Sam Dong. I'm sorry. But also not really. You killed my sister.
It's what I deserve.
Okay.
Oh, yay! Okay, wait, I'll just play on you.
Okay, yeah. Play on my phone.
Maybe Sam's imposter, who knows?
Sam would have killed someone by now.
Facts. Okay, now I'm gonna look suspicious because the oxygen's depleting and I'm just downloading. Is literally anyone gonna die? So that's the T. Oh.
Recorded.
Or was it?
Oh, the other person saw.
I did be seeing that.
Is true. Okay.
Okay, they just admit it. Oh my god.
Bro, someone go to the other one.
It's gonna be me. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, people
it
are
is
going-
pink because he wasn't fixing comms. I didn't see him there.
Bro was ejected.
Yay! That was so cute. Okay, note to freaking self, I'm just gonna post on my Instagram story whatever I want to play because we always try to play with randos and then there's 6 people and they're like, stop! They'll be like, okay, no evidence, let's vote for them.
That's facts. It's really annoying.
It's 10:30 p.m. Sam has school in the morning. I also have school, just not in the morning, and also I don't care. So she's going to bed, but she wants to walk you through her night routine. Y'all better appreciate this because you only come to my channel for Sam anyways, so I'm not even mad.
I am gonna brush my teeth first, which is kind of boring. So just time lapse this or whatever. I don't care. Now that I brushed my teeth, let's move on to skincare. If you haven't watched Cindy's last vid, it's about Minecraft, so go watch it. I don't know, Minecraft's pretty dope. I don't know, I do a lot of weird things before I go to bed. Like I put on deodorant, like why? I don't know, I just do it. I did this like a week ago, but I want to show you guys. So I have this cup here, and watch what happens when I fill it with water. I put a hole in it. That's pretty fun. Fun and fresh.
You're supposed to be in bed 12 minutes ago.
It's fine.
I want to vlog. Oops. I can't believe you literally came downstairs and it's just me eating Doritos.
And me making a milkshake.
Yeah, I know, we're both so in our element right now.
Doritos sponsor her.
Oh.
Bye, sisters.